Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quality stock scanner for day trading. I will also show you how to change that stock scanner to find stocks for both long trades and shorts. And then after that, I will show you how to turn the scanner into a watch list and to add it on the side of your charts so it will be available for you as you're trading throughout the day. So first off, let me go ahead and move myself out of the way. Alright, so start with, you have your charts open, go up here to scan, click there, and you're going to click right here, add filter for stock. You're going to add 3 of them. This first one, let's change it to last. Where is it at? Right here. The second one, we're going to change it to volume. And this third one to percentage change. Now, depending on what price for stocks that you actually trade, you can adjust all this accordingly for yourself. But let's just keep it in the penny stock range, since a lot of people tend to trade there. So I'm just gonna put $1 for the minimum and $5 for the max. For volume is your friend, so the more volume the better. But at the same time, if you start running this at the beginning of the day, it is actually gonna not pick up on a lot of stocks that are trading until you actually meet your minimum threshold. So we'll just start with 100,000. Alright, so 100,000 is the minimum. And for volume, like I said, it's your friend, so you want to keep this blank over here. You want as much volume as possible. So percentage change, we'll start for people that are looking for uptrending stocks, so the longs. So I'll put in 1, and we'll just put 5%. So, and the reason why I say 5% is once it kind of goes beyond 5%, in a lot of these ranges, you kind of have already missed your play beyond 5%. So if you can catch it somewhere in here, you can stand a good chance to make a good day trade. And at that point, or I should actually say after that point of 5%, that's when you have more than likely missed your chance to actually get in, to actually go long for this trade for the day. So get 1%, get 5% in, and click on scan. Click yes. And this is what it's going to generate. So like I said, volume's your friend. We'll click right there. And these are actually the numbers for the last closing day, since today's Sunday. So as the day is going on, these numbers are going to be running up, and these stocks will just continue to jump over each other. So we have that, and let me show you right quick how to find stocks to short. So we're going to erase this, and we'll just say minus 5% as the minimum, and over here we'll just say 0 for the max. And we'll stay in just the same price range just for the demonstration. Click scan. And there you go. That's how you find stocks that you actually want to trade to either go long or to short throughout the day. It's a simple scanner. There are plenty of ways to make your own scanners, and everybody has their own ways. I probably have 30 different scanners that I just go to over time. So let me also show you how to, let's we'll just do it, for long, since a lot of beginners are actually, going long in their trades. So we'll just go back to 1 and 5%, scan. So we got this chart back up. Now, if this scanner is, what you want to make as your watch list, and this will actually update on its own daily. So, you'll make this scanner, and you can put it over here on the side, and it will update, as the day goes on and daily. So you have scanned your stocks, you got your stocks up now. Come over here, click on this box, and click Save as Watch List. So this box will come up, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it demo stock trades. Click Save. Now come over here, this plus sign right here, click that, click on Watch List, click this box right here, and because I said I have so many different watch lists, actually it will fall into one of these categories of personal, just depending on how many you have. So I named that one demo, so it's gonna be from A to N up here. So just click on that or hover over it, and then you find it. So click on that one, and now it's up. So what I like to do next is customize it, because there's some things on here that that are not really pertinent when you're just looking over to the side. So let me go back and just show you slowly. So this little wheel right here, click on this, click on customize, and this box comes up. So click there, and then shift and then tap down to highlight those two, because really you're not going to need that. Once it's over here, you will be able to see what the last price was. So we're gonna remove these items, and then you can just we can just type it in, and we want to add volume. Let's see. All right, so added volume over, and click OK. Come over here, slide your price over, slide your net change, and then you're going to click on volume until you have it in descending order. So it now looks exactly the way you had it, when you had it over here. So once you're to this point, you see what, how much volume is going on in these stocks, for these long plays right here. And this little link box right here, we're going to click this, and whatever you have your charts set up to link as, that's what you click on. So I just always keep mine on number 1, the red. So click there, and click up here on charts. And if you don't have this link yet, but you have your charts set up on Thinkorswim in any way, right by the ticker box, you'll click on this link, and you just click on the same color box, and then come down here and you click on whatever stock that you want, and you just click down, up, and those stocks load up for you. So that's how you set up a stock scanner, and that's also how you create a watch list. So if you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.